All right. Hi, guys. So these are going to be the video instructions for how to do the Lewis dot structures practice. I think it's pretty straightforward, and hopefully you will too by the end of this video. So the only thing that you're going to need is you're going to need the p-table website as we've been using for the past week. So we'll go to p-table. We're going to identify the element boron. So let's take a look. I've already identified it. Boron is over here in group 13, right here. So let's go ahead. It has the chemical symbol of B. Okay. And as I already said, it's in group 13. If you really want to challenge yourself and you want to look back at the notes from yesterday, it's perfectly acceptable to also put group 3A from the main group elements. Just kind of a acknowledgement of that. You don't have to, but it is nice to do. And then the number of valence electrons. So how do we figure out the number of valence electrons? Well, I've shown you two ways to do it without drawing the Bohr model. What you can do is you can click on the element. The numbers right here, they tell me that I have two orbitals. There are 2 electrons in the first orbital. And then there are 3 electrons in the last orbital. The number of valence electrons is going to be the number of electrons in the last orbital. So there are 3 electrons in the last orbital. We also know, because it's in group 13, which is group 3A of the main group, that because it's group 3 of the main group, it has 3 valence electrons. And that was part of the notes that we did yesterday. So coming back over here, the number of valence electrons will be 3. Okay. The only thing that you guys have to do after that is just highlight. So we'll go ahead and highlight this entire portion. We're just going to replace it with the symbol B. And then you guys are going to drag and drop electrons from the valence electron bank. I just want to point out that you are not necessarily going to use all of these, but I would like you to consider the following. Why did I only put 8 dots? Fascinating, right? All right, so I'll let you ponder that. You can just drag the dots, as I said, over. So we'll start from the top and we'll move counterclockwise. So, or sorry, clockwise. So we'll do 1 valence electron, 2 valence electrons, and then here is our 3rd valence electron. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And if not, feel free to shoot me an email or a message on Remind.